Hello, everyone. We are Group 1, and we're going to present to you the digital transformation of Novozymes.
So Novozymes is a biotechnological firm who manufactures enzymes. They usually serve the big corporations like Carlsberg, Nestle, and Novo Nordisk. We recommend Novozymes to go through a digital transformation strategy to attract new customers to become and go into the B2C market, especially for food and beverage industry. We recommend to go through with digital transformation with a platform, a website, and an app of smartphones. We made a thoroughly analysis of companies' capabilities, customers' need, and what competitor offer. We came through to the burning platform, which is the profit have been stagnant for 5 years of Novozymes. They have lost the market share, a little bit of it, but COVID have created a new opportunity and a new trend for Novozymes, which is baking from home. There is a whole segment which have not been targeted yet, and this is what we recommend to do. What is Novozymes Soul? Novozymes Soul is the enzymes, and they want to do better business with biology. Looking at their product leadership, research, development, they have patent, improved formula, history, and market share. And also operation excellence is only really on a good side. Manufacturing capability, they have infrastructure, they already use big use of technology like ERP system, light of manufacturing, and so on. But customer intimacy, there is nothing we can talk about. So therefore, we recommend to set objectives and goals for Novozymes, which is actually to increase the customer intimacy, brand awareness, in order to get the new strategy of B2C and grab the opportunity. Where do they find in themselves the innovation circle? So this recommendation will be more to process and position.
Okay, so in order to implement this, technology will play a strategic role. It's what is going to enable us to sell B2C by creating this platform where customers can interact with us, with Novozymes. And this technology will allow us to increase brand recognition as well as customer intimacy. So what is the DX solution? Well, first we're going to create this platform that facilitates interactions between Novozymes and customers. There they will find online shopping and delivery systems. As mentioned before, they're going to have access to baking recipes and cooking tutorials. There's also going to be review and feedback from customers all the time. Customers will have recommendations based on what they buy and what they seem to like. There's also going to be customer service and chatbots 24/7 available for all our customers. IoT and AI are going to be used for advertising. And finally, and very important, the use of data for forecasting and doing recommendations. So here is a timeline of how it would work. So first, we will set up IT department focusing on the creation of the platform. Then a manufacturing plant for smaller scale production. Then we're going to set up the sales and marketing team, then the supply chain and logistics, and boom, the green thing is our app. And then the following 3 steps, I already mentioned them before. Finally, these are the metrics that we're going to use because we want to increase brand awareness and customer intimacy.
When it comes to the business models, some change needs to be done. So for example, for the key partners, we have to add famous bakers and chefs and final consumers. For the channel, we're adding B2C because that's our vision. Revenue streams, we're adding the fees to have access to the classes and the sales of the small packets of enzymes. For the digital leaders checklist, we decided to divide it into 5 different categories: diagnosis and intervention, strategy, teams and people, funding, and tracking and evaluation. And under each category, you have different tasks to accomplish. And that way, the leader will be able to follow the process and see where he is at with the implementation of the change. Finally, implementing the change. So there are 6 different steps that you can clearly see. For example, in our case with Novozymes, the first step, which is clear vision, change aligned to goals. So our vision would be to become a B2C company. The change would be then the digital transformation, and the goals are the small steps that we set to ourselves to get to our vision. So for example, creating the platform, attracting customers. Implementation of the new technology would be, for example, creating the platform and explaining to the employee how to use it and to the customers how to use it and make sure that it's being correctly implemented and used by everyone. And we're leaving you with Rethink Tomorrow.
Rethink Tomorrow. Thank you.